Many of us compromise on cooking oils we buy from shops, even if we know they are neither pure nor healthy. During the refining of oil, the source for good cholesterol turns bad due to overheating. Some brands in the market even resort to adulteration with cheap oils. Now, you may wonder, what else is pure and healthy? What's the solution? We are delighted to introduce Seeds to Oil, the cold press home oil maker. A boon to health-conscious homes like yours and a must-have kitchen maid. It's versatile. One machine can extract oil from over 14 types of seeds such as sesame, groundnut, coconut, mustard, etc. Seeds to Oil is easy to use, less power consuming, sturdy, durable, and comes with a 1-year guarantee. How to use Seeds to Oil? Make sure the swing cover is closed tightly to enable Seeds to Oil to start working. Place the oil cup in the right position and the cake mug below the spout. Keep seeds ready, free of stones or other impurities. Switch on power supply. Press choose button repeatedly and set the temperature. Press run. The heater will switch on and the temperature will increase. Wait for it to stabilize. Then the screw will rotate in the reverse direction for a few seconds to do self-cleaning. Then the screw will rotate in forward direction. Put a handful of seeds into the hopper. Allow the cake to come out of the extruder and wait till the hopper feed area becomes empty. Then fill the hopper with seeds and close the hopper lid. The capacity of the hopper is approximately half kilogram. In a few seconds, the oil will start flowing down from the oil grooves and the cake will drop from the spout. The actual oil temperature will be approximately 1/3 of the set temperature. Refill the hopper before it becomes empty and you can continue to crush without a break. However, if you want to stop the machine in between, please press the stop button. To restart, press run again. Allow the machine to complete crushing. Seeds to Oil will stop working automatically when no seeds are left. The screw will rotate in the reverse direction and forward direction a couple of times for self-cleaning and come to a halt. If the feeding chamber is clean, the cylinder need not be cleaned. The metal strainer in the lid of the oil cup filters the oil produced. To avoid overflow, after crushing 1 kg seed, transfer the oil to another container. In the case of seeds like sesame, wait for a few hours to get transparent sesame oil. How to clean Seeds to Oil? You may clean the machine in hot condition or after 15 minutes of cooling. Use the tool supplied with the machine to rotate the steer wheel clockwise and disengage the chamber and screw from the machine. After cleaning, fix the chamber and screw back and close the swing cover back to position. Now it is ready for the next use. Wishing you a long and healthy life. Seeds to Oil. the cold press home oil maker.